Alright, today we are going to make a D shaft flower knob in Tinkercad. D shaft is a common shaft type on a lot of switches and knobs, something like volume knobs on radio or stereo. They're also very common on climate control knobs. They usually have a D-shaped shaft. And so first, we're going to start off by making uh, the shaft, and we'll create a negative of it, and we'll take that away from our flower knob. The dimensions are 5.84 millimeters. I'm gonna make the shaft a little bit bigger, 6.3 millimeters, because uh, when you print stuff off, when it's doing drawing circles, they tend to pull the filament inside a little bit, and it makes the dimension a little bit tighter than you want it to be, or that it's designed to be. So let's get this lined up on our grid. Turn that into a solid. We'll raise it up. And now we're going to make it a D. So that's 5 squares. So that's 5 millimeters. That's going to be just right there. I measured 4.5, and like I said before, it pulls inside. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. And we're going to group that, and there's our shaft. And now we're going to make it a negative, like that. And I left a little bit at the bottom there. A lot of D shafts are shaped like that, but the reason why I left that there is because we're going to need that later to get it centered properly on the knob. So now we're going to start with the flower knob. I think we're going to go 15 by 15. Seems like a nice size. Every flower's got like a roundy thing in the middle. We'll make that 15 as well. And let's see. I don't think it needs to be that tall. We'll make it something like that. And use the alignment tool to square it up. Oh, let's group that together. That's a little bit too tall for me. I think we're gonna sure. All right. Oh, we could make funny heart-shaped leaves. We could use star leaves, or we can just make something something. Let's go something like, I don't know, something like that. Shorten it up. Perfect. That looks like a leaf, right? Yeah, no, not really. So we'll duplicate it. We'll pull it away. We'll make that one a hole. Let's squish that down a bit. And we'll go like that. And to get rid of the rest, we'll duplicate that again. And we'll pull it out. And we'll make it a little bit thicker. Make it a thick. And we'll line those up, or else it'll be weird. Alright, let's see how that looks. Hmm. 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 No, I don't like it. Let's pull that one out. That one's a little too thin, so we'll go like that. Now we'll try that. This should be better. And we'll line those up. Group them together. Alright, I like that way better. It's beautiful. Okay, now we can just 90 degrees. Something like that, maybe? We'll bring it up closer to the top. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just not do that. We're just gonna put a couple degrees of tilt on there. Because that's gonna make everything better. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll find out. I still think this is a little bit too wide. Alright. Group that together and we'll duplicate it. And we will give it a spin. And we can just kind of get a feel for that. Something like that. That's good. Actually, we can go line that up. Boom. It's a weird ass flower, right? Yeah, cool. But now that's symmetrical, we can just duplicate it. And because we want 6 petals, we'll go 60 degrees. Like that. And we'll duplicate it again, and Tinkercad will be like, yeah, let's just do that. And there we go. We have a little flower. We'll group that all together so it's one piece. And we'll introduce the D shaft. And I think we gotta go up just a little bit. And we'll line that up like so. Group it together and come on, Tinkercad. There we go. There we go. Now the finishing touch is going to be a set screw, because everybody that's ever had a knob like this at some point has had a loose knob, and they are awful. We don't want any loose knobs. We want very secure knobs. So we're going to make a little hole in the side so that we can put a set screw in and secure the knob. And we're going to bring that down to about there. And let's center that. That's a little bit up the back. Let's just pull that back. Center again. There we go. We'll group that. Oh, excuse me. And there we go. We're done. We have a lovely little flower knob. Have a wonderful day.